Hello, we are in a residential area and for that, we need a silent lawn mower. So, today I will present to you a mower developed specifically for this purpose. Let's now see the features of this machine that I mentioned is silent and dedicated to residential areas. Later, you will see a test that I will conduct to see how many decibels it emits in normal mode and in save energy mode. The mower's motor is a 500W brushless motor at a voltage of 36V. Also, the battery works on 36V, providing enough power to handle your lawn mowing needs. The operation of this machine is very simple. Insert the battery, switch on, activate the save mode if you want, and then unlock and operate the lever from above. The speed at which this mower operates is 3,200 rotations per minute. However, with the save function activated, it will operate at 2,700 rotations per minute, resulting in fewer decibels. When operating in activated save mode, if the mower encounters difficulties, it will increase power, thus increasing the number of rotations to 3,200, and after passing this small vegetation hurdle, it will decrease back to 2,700. Practically, the activated save function will help you extend the operating time. According to the data on the Husqvarna website, this machine emits 88 decibels in normal working mode, and with the save mode activated, only 77 decibels. But later, we will also test this aspect to see the number of decibels received by the user's ear. As for the cutting levels, it has 7 levels between 25 and 75 millimeters. The effective cutting width is 37.5 centimeters. And as for the adjustment of the mower's handle, it has 2 options. You just have to move this screw from one hole to another to adjust the handle. Also, with this handle that can be positioned in 2 positions, the mower becomes very versatile for narrow spaces such as those dedicated to residential areas. Due to this aspect, because the mower is dedicated to residential areas and implicitly to small yards, storage mode is very important. It folds from these screws. Here too. And it is very easy to store because it does not take up much space. And now let's do the sound test to see how many decibels this mower emits in the 2 modes. Normal at 3,200 rotations per minute and in save mode at 2,700 rotations per minute. We will use an application, Sound Meter, record with the phone from the user's level, and here we are interested to see how many decibels emits. As you can see, we had an average of 81 to 82 dB in normal mode. In save mode, we had an average of 75 to 77 decibels. So, as I said at the beginning, it is one of the quietest lawn mowers you can purchase. Now let me tell you a few things I liked about this lawn mower and a few things I didn't like. What I liked most about is the design. In my opinion, it's futuristic. It is very compact, folds easily, and can be lifted very easily from this handle. It weighs only 15 kilograms, and this will help you for its transportation. And now a few things I didn't like. Although the capacity of the basket is 40 liters, so it is quite spacious, there is no flap to signal that the basket is full. You will have to check this manually from time to time to ensure that the machine can continue mowing. It cannot trim the edges of the lawn. A raised edge near a fence or if you have a lawn divider will leave about 2 to 3 centimeters that will not be mowed. You will have to intervene manually. So, if you'd like to know how many square meters you can mow with this battery, you can safely expect between 500 and 700 square meters. But keep in mind, this depends a lot on how regularly you mow. For example, I mow every 2 to 3 days, but if you mow once a week, you'll have more grass to cut, and the motor will likely be under more strain. In this test, I didn't use the Save Eco mode, and still got this result. However, if you use Save E mode, it could add an extra 20%, meaning you could potentially reach almost 800 square meters for regular maintenance mowing. If you overlook these drawbacks, this lawn mower is ideal for you. It is ideal for your neighbors because you will not make much noise when mowing the lawn.